welcome into my yarn studio, guys. I am out here on a Sunday afternoon. I am wearing my own crochet. I want to know how many of you wear your own crochet. I have started making and wearing more of things that I want to wear. So let me know in the comments if you like to wear your own crochet stuff. I'm in the process of making these adorable little lace hair scrunchies. They are so sweet for summer. I'm going to be making some in all the colors that I have of my cotton crochet. But while I am crocheting, I have these too. Aren't these so sweet? These are just so adorable. I love the colors on these. I am crocheting away. I am going to be giving you a roundup, a crochet tutorial roundup. So normally I do patterns. I'm doing a video tutorial roundup today. For those of you who are visual learners like me, I love to watch a crochet video. Instead of reading a pattern, I think they are so much more easy to follow. So why don't you follow along with me while I make another one of these gorgeous little hair scrunchies. Okay, so, and I forgot my elastic. I'll have to get an elastic, hold on. The first crochet tutorial on our list is going to be for this gorgeous crochet summer bikini cover-up tutorial. I love this little cover-up. It looks very quick, easy to make in sort of a mesh stitch. I love that it has a tie in front. I think it is nice and cool for summer, and you could layer this and wear it over a bikini, or you could dress it up and wear it over a shirt or anything you wanted to for the summertime. I think it's just the perfect cute little summer crochet cover-up top. Just adorable. Next on our list is this rainbow crochet halter top tutorial. I love this. I've actually made one almost just like this. I made a couple of these when I was in Maine. They are very quick and easy to make. You just start from the bottom and you make a half circle and just keep making it bigger and bigger and bigger. And the one that I made, I could wear it, my daughter could wear it, so it's very size friendly, easy to follow, so go check out that rainbow halter top. I love making these. They are so fun to make, and you could make them in a variety of colorways too. That would be really cute. Next on the list is number 3. This is the beginner friendly Kalani top crochet tutorial. This looks so beachy and coastal. The blues and whites are really trending for coastal crochet, home decor. Anything that is coastal right now is very trendy. This is just an adorable little top. I love the flower that they put in the front. I love that it has the stripes and sort of the mesh ruffle going down in the front. I think that's adorable and would be perfect for spring and summer. Next is number 4. This is one of my patterns. So I have one of these on my mannequin over here, a larger size here, this white one or cream one over here. And I have been making these for over 5 years now, and they are so fun to make. I absolutely love making these. And you could wear this on its own with nothing underneath, or you could wear a tube top or just put it over your bikini. It has the fringe on the bottom. It ties at the waist and it ties at the back. And so it is very versatile and very size friendly. My pattern is available on my Etsy, and I make anything from an extra small to several XXLs sizes, a very size friendly top. And everybody just loves it, and it's one of my most popular patterns, and I do have a tutorial on my YT channel, so go check that out. Number 5 on our list is a cute crochet skirt. This looks so sweet. It looks lacy. When you're doing a skirt, you can make it any length, so don't be intimidated if you see a skirt that's too short or too long for you, because all you have to do is adjust the pattern, and you can make a long maxi skirt short, or you could make a really short skirt just the perfect length for you. This looks coastal, beachy, airy, fun to make, and really cool to wear for the summer. So go check out that tutorial for that adorable little skirt. Number 6 on our list is this sexy summer beach dress. I love it. It's like a mesh knit and mesh crochet dress, and it looks very easy, beginner friendly. These dresses, I have not tried to make a dress, but they look so easy. How many of you have tried to crochet a dress? That's on my bucket list of things to do, but this looks really easy. You could make it any length, any size. It looks perfect for a cover up or a dress, and I think it would be so cool and beachy for the summer. Number 7 is another mesh dress. This one is got a little different design on it. It's got a halter top with a tie at the neck. It looks adorable. It's got a low back. It's sort of more see-through. This one is definitely a cover-up style dress. You could take this on your cruise, or if you're going on a vacation to an island. This would be perfect just to put on over your swimsuit, and it would be nice and breezy. Still give you some coverage for the different places that you need to go on your vacation. This next one is a beginner-friendly tutorial for a crochet top that has some embroidery. Now, in her tutorial, it's shown right here, the thumbnail shows little cherries, but she tells you in this tutorial that you could put lemons, you could put flowers, you could put any type of embroidery that you want to on top of this top. So she shows you how to make the top, and then you can just embroider it however you want. If you want to put hearts, if you want to put flowers, fish, bananas, whatever you want to on this. It's so versatile. You could make this any colorway. You could make it coastal with blues. You could do stripes if you wanted to. It is just adorable. So go check out that tutorial. Number 9 on our list is a boho crop top. And this is sort of a halter. Ties in the front, ties in the back, looks very versatile. It's a great top for the summer. This is giving retro vibes, which I don't know about you. I love anything retro that reminds me of the 70s. I just love. So again, this would be a great stash buster project with these stripes. Love that it has ties. So anything with ties, you can really customize the fit if you want it to sit higher, lower, tighter, looser. All right, this next one is a bag. So I have a little bit of something for everybody on this list. This is made with raffia also, so you can learn a new skill. How many of you have tried to make a summer bag with raffia? I have not. This would be a new skill for me to learn. And it says it's great for beginners. Looks like you can attach a leather or faux leather strap. It looks sturdy. It looks perfect for taking to the beach or on a vacation, or if you're traveling. It just looks perfect for summer. Number 11 is this seashell crochet top tutorial. This looks adorable. She looks so cute in this top. This looks easy to make. Most of these patterns or tutorials are beginner friendly. This looks very on trend. This looks like you could just throw it on with some shorts or some jeans and be ready to go. I love that pattern. This next one is for a flower headband. I picked a very simple headband here. Very easy, beginner friendly. You could make this in any color. You could just use up your scraps for this project. You could make this in one color, or you could make all the flowers in different colors. You could make them daisies. You could add little embellishments, little pearls, or little beads if you wanted to this. This is just adorable, simple, easy, quick, beginner-friendly tutorial for this cute little flower headband. Number 13 on our list is another cute hair accessory for summer. This is a hair scarf, and I love the open pattern on this. It looks sweet, it looks cottagecore, it looks coastal, it looks beachy, and it looks very, very easy, beginner-friendly tutorial, so go try that one. This next one is Make Money with the Easiest Crochet Top Ever. That is a great title for this thumbnail. This looks like a really cool retro-looking halter top. Sort of like a tube top, but it looks like you crisscross the top, you tie in the back, you tie at the neck. It looks really cool and sophisticated. You could dress this up or dress this down. And I believe in her other videos too, she shows you how you can easily put some ruffles on the bottom or extend the bottom to make this more of a longer top. So very versatile, so go check out her channel. This next one is a bag. So strawberries are so popular right now, and bags are very popular and very easy to make. This is a beginner-friendly pouch strawberry little bag. Closes and opens with a drawstring. It looks very quick and easy, very simple, beginner-friendly, so go check out that. It's not too late to make these cute summer projects. You still have time for summer, guys. Speaking of summer, this next item or this next tutorial is so cute. I wanted to list everything on their page. So whenever I'm looking at these crochet roundups, I snoop around on their channels and on their page. I wanted to list every single thing that was on this page. It was so cute. And this is quick and easy. And this is for keychains. This could be for bag charms. These are so adorable. There's all kinds of little fruits. I don't know, there's like a little kiwi, a little watermelon, there's lemons, there's cherries, there's strawberries. They're just the sweetest little thing, and you could make them into anything you wanted. A bag charm, keychain, you could put them on, your rear view window for your car. These are just adorable. These could be cute little gifts that you give away for summer too. If you have kids coming or friends or best friend gift, these would be adorable to make for family reunions. Go check that out. All right, so this next one is a fruit turtle pouch crochet tutorial for a cute bag charm for summer. This is a little strawberry turtle bag charm. What can be cuter? It is so adorable. And you could put your earbuds in this. You could put a little chapstick in here. You could just hang it on your luggage if you're traveling. You could use it as a bag charm. You could use it as a keychain. You could use it for anything you wanted to. It's adorable, and it's a turtle, and it's a watermelon, and it is so cute. Next, we have another one of my patterns. I am wearing it right now. So this is the summer mesh poncho. I absolutely love it. It's made with this nice airy mesh pattern. You could wear it off the shoulder. You could wear it sideways. You could wear it with a point on the sides. I love it. It is so nice to put over a dress if you have any type of bat wing arms. This is what I do for church. I put on a short sleeve dress that I don't want to show my arms, and then I just put over this poncho. So I'll give you a little twirl. See how just nice and airy and flowy this is? I absolutely love it. So go check out my tutorial, and it's actually a free pattern. So I have a free written pattern in my bio. You can just go and you can make this, and the link for this goes to my free tutorial, but I have a free written pattern available also, and I hope you love it. I'm obsessed with it. It's my new favorite project to make, and I've been making some in so many different colors, and it's quick and easy, beginner friendly, and I just love it. I absolutely love it. And it hides my bat wings. Okay, next on our list is these adorable crochet ruffle shorts. My daughter Sophie is obsessed with ruffle shorts. She's been wanting me to make her some crochet shorts, and I just have not tried, but this looks like a nice beginner friendly tutorial. And they are the bloomer ruffle shorts. They are so popular right now. All the hot girls, the girls that know what to wear, they're wearing these. So if you can wear them, you might want to try to make these, or maybe you have a daughter or granddaughter that you can make these for. They would love them. Next, number 20 is this scrap yarn idea to use up your scraps, and these are crochet pants. How many of you have tried to make crochet pants? I have not. I'm a little bit intimidated by shorts and pants, but these look so fun, and it is a scrap buster idea, so maybe go and try these from Carol G. And these are so cute. Oh, they were inspired by Carol G, and there's a tutorial for making these. So if you haven't tried them, maybe now is your sign to go and try to make some adorable little crochet pants. Number 21 is this easy crochet mesh summer dress, and it's a tunic style. It looks very, very easy. I watched a little bit of her tutorial. You sort of start with one row and you just make this. It goes over your head and you connect the sides. It looks very easy, beginner friendly. So if you have not tried to make a sort of dress cover up, this one does not have sleeves. This looks very easy. And then on her tutorial, she does tell you that she can help you to make sleeves with other videos. So you can just customize this as you would like. This might be the pattern if you have not tried to make one. This might be the pattern to try. These are the peekaboo crochet shorts, and this tutorial looks so cool. This is giving me very beachy, exotic island shorts with the peekaboo mesh on the sides. These look so cool, and you should go try to make these for somebody, or either yourself or somebody you know that would love these shorts. 23 on our list is a checkered top tutorial. My daughters love anything checkered, and this is giving beach, this is giving summer and check. This looks so quick and easy to make. It is a crop top, but of just like the skirts. Anytime you see a crop top and you don't want to wear crop tops, you can just make it longer. So go check out this checkered top tutorial. This looks so cute. I love it. We're almost done. Number 24 is a how to crochet a mesh triangle bikini bottom cover, and it looks easy step-by-step tutorial. And this is to cover your swimsuit when you're on vacation and you're wearing a swimsuit and you just want that little extra coverage, especially on the back. This will give it to you. So this looks like a big triangle ish made of mesh stitch, looks very quick and easy. So maybe if you haven't tried one, I have not tried one, but it's on my list. How many of you have a mile list of things that you want to crochet? This is on it, so go check out that. Number 25 is absolutely adorable, and I just seen this on a YouTube short that crossed my page, and it is a crochet ocean bag tutorial by KJ Korn, and it looks adorable. It looks really easy with this mesh stitch, but it has these adorable little starfish and the little shell and the little jellyfish attached to it. It looks adorable. This is really popular right now. I'm seeing it everywhere now that I'm making this video, and I'm starting to see this pop up on my feeds a lot. So I think this is going to be really popular. So for those of you who still have some time left in the summer, maybe you're going on vacation to the beach, make this bag for yourself, and I'm sure you're going to get lots of compliments, or make it to sell at a market. All right, this next one is going with the coastal, the sea starfish theme, and this is how to crochet a starfish pouch and bag charm. This is adorable, and when I visited this channel, she had the cutest fish. I could have put 10 videos from her on this list. She had the cute little puffer fish. She had all kinds of cute little fish, and the mouth opens and you put the stuff in the mouth. They're adorable, but I picked this starfish because it's just giving me aquamarine, and this is so cute. If you have little granddaughters or daughters or anything like that, if you're going to the beach and you're going to a reunion this summer, make these for your little relatives. They would absolutely love it. I love how she has the little pearls and the little embellishments on them. They are absolutely adorable, and she gives you a step-by-step tutorial for this cute little starfish pouch, so go check that out. Okay, number 27, how many of you have tried the filet crochet? I have not. That's again on my list of things to try. Very trending right now, very popular. And this is the filet crochet angel top tutorial. This looks like a very elegant design. It has the tie behind the neck, and then it also has the corset tie around back. So that's going to give you a nice sturdy tie around the back of it. And then the front is very covered, and this looks very sophisticated. You could dress this up, dress this down. It just looks beautiful, and I think she would do an excellent job with her tutorial, so go check her out. Number 28, again, we're with seashells here. And these are how to make these gorgeous seashells. They're just stunning. I'm looking at the picture and there's so many, and it says, I made them as easy as possible. So go check out that. I think that would be so cute if you had like a little booth and you made a ton of these little shells and you somehow put them in something where they could think that they were collecting them, maybe an old jar or something like that, or an old basket. That would be so cute. 29 is a mermaid corset top. This looks so sweet. This is giving you a tutorial for sizes extra small to extra large. And she's so sweet. I have looked at so many of her different videos and tutorials, and all of her crochet products are just top notch. She is just a beautiful designer. So go check out this top because it looks really cute and sweet. This could be really cute for Valentine's Day too. And I think it would be perfect for the summer to dress up or down with a skirt or jeans or shorts. It looks just adorable. Okay, last on our list is another pair of ruffle shorts. These look so cute. I watched this tutorial of her making these shorts. They look so easy. So actually you make the shorts and then you put the ruffles on after. So you could just make this either more ruffly or less ruffly, depending on how you wanted to. It looks so quick and easy, beginner friendly, it says in the video, and it looks absolutely adorable. If my daughter sees this video, she's gonna want these ruffle shorts. I got absolutely nothing done on my hair scrunchie. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you like these cute little summer patterns and tutorials. I hope you go watch some. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved these fun tutorials, and please go watch these videos and give the designer some love. I love all of these cute ideas for summer, and I hope you make some. If you make any of these, let me know in the comments what your favorite ones or the ones that you tried, and I'll see you on the next video.